Welcome to another math homework help. So our topic for today is PEMDAS rules. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, meaning everything inside brackets should be done first. Then exponent, the powers and square roots. Then multiply and divide from left to right. Then the last things that you have to do are add and subtract. Again, when you see them at the same time, you have to do them from left to right. So for us to easily remember the PEMDAS, we can go ahead and remember this sentence that says, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Now let's look at an example. 10 to the second power minus 50. Now I always advise my students to write down the rules again, which is PEMDAS. Okay, the first one is parenthesis. Is there anything on your expression that's inside the parenthesis? There's none, so you cross it out. Then the second step are all the exponents. And yes, we do have a term that has an exponent, which is the 10 to the second power. So you have to work this out first before you subtract, because the subtraction will be one of the last things we have to do. So the 10 here should be used twice as a factor. And you know 10 times 10 is 100. Then copy the rest of your expression, which is that subtraction by 50. And that's the only thing left. 100 minus 50 is 50. Let's go ahead and look at another example. It says 12 minus 5 plus 3. So we have to follow the PEMDAS. Rewrite it if you are on another page, because you need to see the rules. So the first thing is parenthesis, and we don't have anything in the parenthesis. And then exponent, we don't have anything with powers. Then multiply, divide, I can only see subtraction and addition, so we don't have the third steps. But we have the addition and subtraction, and we have to do them from left to right. So which one came first from left going to the right? We can see the subtraction is there first before the addition. So we have to go ahead subtract first the numbers around that subtraction sign, which is 12 minus 5. Then bring down the rest of your expression. 10 should be the final answer for this expression. Now let's look if I didn't follow PEMDAS and I just did addition first instead of subtracting first. So let's go ahead and do that. So here, I'm going to do this first. I'm not following PEMDAS. Let's see if we're still going to have the same answer. 5 plus 3 is 8. I'll bring down the subtraction sign and the 12. And you know 12 minus 8 is 4. Did we get the same answer? No, because we did not follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. That's why it's so important to follow PEMDAS in order for us to get to the correct answer. Now let's look at another example, which is item number 3. It says 20 minus 8 divided by 4. I also have another example here, which is item number 4. 20 minus 8 inside the parenthesis, then divided by 4. Will these two items have the same answers? We will find out. Let's go ahead and do the first one, which is item number 3. So 20 minus 8 divided by 4. According to PEMDAS, parenthesis first, and we don't have it. Exponent, none of them has a power. Then multiply, divide. Now we have a subtraction and the division sign. Therefore, according to our PEMDAS, subtraction and addition are the last ones. Therefore, I have to divide first before I add and subtract. Therefore, the answer will be 20 minus 2 is 18. Now let's find out if item number 4 will have the same answer. Now this time it has a parenthesis, and what's inside the parenthesis must be done first, and that is 20 minus 8. So we're doing the first step, which is parenthesis. 20 minus 8 is 12. Now bring down the rest of your expression. We don't have an exponent, but we have a division. Okay, and that's the last one. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Isn't it that we don't have the same answer? Because here on item number 3, we don't have anything inside the parenthesis. And we did it correctly by following PEMDAS. On number 4, we had something inside the parenthesis. Therefore, we did follow the PEMDAS, performing everything inside the parenthesis and then did the next. And therefore, this is the correct answer for item number 4. Now let's look at an example from one of your homeworks. Write an expression for the total cost of 7 lotions, 5 candles, and 3 lip balms. Determine the total cost. So this is a real-life example. Let's take note of what is being asked. They want to buy 7 lotions, 5 candles, and 3 lip balms. But we have to look at the table to find out how much is the cost for each item. 1 lotion will cost us $4. 1 candle will cost us $8, and 1 lip balm will cost us $3. Now think, what are you going to do with the cost of each and the number of pieces that we require for each of them? So if I need 7 pieces of the lotion and 1 lotion will cost me $4, so that is like I have to add or pay $4 7 times. Isn't it that is also the same thing as $4 times just 7 pieces? And I will still get the same sum or total. Therefore, as part of my expression, I should have 7 pieces times that $4. Okay? Then what about the number of candles that I want is 5 pieces. And 1 candle is $8. So what do we do with the cost of 1 candle and the number of pieces we are required to buy? I could add $8 5 times, or I can just multiply 5 pieces times the $8, right? Same thing with the 3 pieces of lip balm that we need, and each of them is $3. Therefore, I just have to multiply 3 pieces by the $3 because I will have to pay $3 3 times. Okay, so now what are we going to do after multiplying each of these? Isn't it we want the total cost? Therefore, we're going to go ahead and what? Add them up. And then we're going to arrive with our total cost. Therefore, we were able to write down the correct expression. Okay, if you are asked on the test which expression will help you find the total cost, then you're looking for something like this. And everything is just common sense. Okay? After multiplying, add them up. Therefore, our total cost is $77. So as you can see, PEMDAS is applicable in real life, just as this example that we have. Now, I want you to go ahead and write an expression for this new example. It's still the same situation, but I just changed the numbers for lotion, candles, and lip balms. Write the expression down and then find the total cost. Okay? Go ahead, pause now. I hope you arrived with the correct answer. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe our video so you'll get the next one. Good luck on your homework and I'll see you in class. Bye!